Peace to everybody. This is going to be a real quick video on how to set up your heading and your title, how to format your paper for formal writing when we're typing it. You could also use this when we're handwriting. I'll throw in a few side comments about that too. Obviously right here we're going to use size 12 right there, boom, and we can change that beforehand or afterwards. You're going to use Arial font, or you'll use Times New Roman. You just scroll down or do a search for it, Times New Roman or Arial. All right. In your heading, very top left corner, right there, you're gonna write your full name, first name, last name. If you want to put any other parts in names, you can. Suffixes, junior, third, stuff like that. But your full name, first and last, right there. Spacing one space down, not skipping a space. You're gonna write out the full date. So let's say September. You can put the due date, or you can put the date that you're actually writing on. September 5th, 2022. And notice there's a space after the comma, no space before the comma, right? And because I put the year in there, I did not put the TH. You still read it September 5th, 2022, but you don't need the TH because we put the year in there. If we didn't put the year and just wrote September 5th, then you would put the TH like we said in class. All right, but there's the date. Then you go our course, African history, boom. And something I didn't put in class, actually, if you could put your period right here. So you could write period, if you're 1, 2, or 3, whatever, boom, like that. And then I didn't put that in class. I'll add that in. And then, of course, that just helps me stay organized, to be honest. And then, of course, your teacher name, Brother John. I lowercase my name sometimes on purpose, but we'll just do it like this for right now. And then the school name, our school name, Morrell, M for Morrell, Dobbins, CTE High School. Notice what's capitalized and what's not. This is a specific school. It's our school, so we capitalize these right here. Boom. And of course, CTE, Career and Technical Education. It's an acronym, so it all gets capitalized. Now that's our heading right there. Full first name, full written date, our class, our period, teacher name, school. We're gonna enter, and we're gonna skip a whole space. All right, one space down, and now we would do a title. All right, so whatever our title is gonna be, whatever is gonna be, Sister Soldier interview response. Let's just say we call it this. We'll get a little bit more into titles and choosing appropriate titles, the best title, a little bit later. And then, so there's our title. We're going to center that, bold it, and italicize it in just a moment. And then we skip down another space, and we actually indent our paper. So indent, if you're on a laptop, you're going to hit the tab button one time, and notice how the cursor goes over from here to here. It takes you automatic, boom. Or if you're on a phone and don't have a tab button top left, near the top left corner of the keyboard, it's on the left side, TAB. If you're on the phone, you don't have a tab button. So what you do is hit the space bar 13 times, 12 or 13 times is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's your tab right there. So you can start there. Now our paragraph's indented, and we're going to begin typing. Boom, 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 and so on. No need to hit enter. Oh, I know why I did that. My bad, y'all. I'm not hitting the space bar, so it thinks it's one long word. Notice how after each paragraph, I'm not hitting. This is me typing. I'm not hitting enter at all. When I'm ready for a new paragraph, I'm gonna hit enter, and then I'm gonna tab or space in one more time and keep typing. Boom. You get the point. So you're never going to have to, in this kind of writing, you're not going to have to space between the paragraphs. We will eventually double space our writing. We'll get into more of that. I'll do a separate video on how to double space it, so it's not too much in here. But that's the full heading. Now your title, when you're all done typing or while you're starting up, what you do is highlight it, boom, and you want to go up top to the buttons here. See how this is all the lines are flat on the left hand side? That means it's flat on the left hand side. Boom. It's called left justification or left alignment. You can hover and it'll say it. The one that's jagged on both sides, boom and boom, see the lines are jagged on both sides? That's our center, and if you hover over it, it'll say center align. Click that with the title highlighted, and it's going to automatically, see how it automatically centers the title? And folks probably know this already, but some have had tech classes, some have not. And then so you want to center your title, and then you want to go up to the big B, we're going to bold it. Notice how it gets bold. You can see it change back and forth. We want to bold it and italicize it. Italicize just means we're making it lean. So you can see the difference. If you're looking at the title, when it's highlighted, you can see the difference between the two. We want to bold it and italicize it and center it. So those blue highlighted buttons right there. No underline, no quotes, no nothing like that. And that's it, y'all. Full heading, title, center, bold, italicized, paragraph indented, and you typed your paragraphs, and that's it. Any questions, let me know. And I'll just title this Google Doc right here, title and, or excuse me, heading and title format. Boom. All right. Peace, everybody.